Hey, I'm going to show you how to download and use a tool that we use quite often in this class, and it's just some sort of snipping tool. If you have, or if you're working with a Windows-based computer, all you have to do is click on your little window at the bottom and then put the word snip in. And this, it's either called Snip and Sketch or Snipping Tool, and they have different logos, but it's all pretty much the same thing. And if you notice down here on my toolbar, I have it pinned there because I use it probably 25 times a day. Seriously, no joke. It's a very helpful tool. Now, if you're working with a Mac-based computer, my understanding is that if you push the Command, Shift, and 4 at the same time, then the built-in snipping tool on that kind of device will automatically pop up. So confirm with another Mac user or Google it to confirm, but you definitely have to have some sort of tool, and don't pay any money for it. So anyhow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my Facebook page and I'm going to show you how I can take a picture of something. And so I'm going to open up my home page, and here we go. Let's just say that I want to take this picture right here. So I'm going to click my snipping tool, and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to say click new. And then it pops up with options for me. I can just grab the automatic on mine is like this. So voila, I take this picture. Then I click, where'd it go? Pull it down here, and I'm going to click the copy. Now I can save it to my computer if I need to, but right now I'm just going to copy it. Then I'm going to go back to the document that I was working on. Hold on, wrong browser. Whoa. There it is. Okay, and now I'm just going to click Control V, CTRL, and a V, which is paste. I'm doing that right now, and voila, there's the picture. Then I can highlight it, I can make it smaller, I can crop it if I want to, all kinds of things, okay? There's also a way to get an outline picture. There's also a way to delay it for 3 seconds if you're trying to grab like something from a drop-down menu that won't stay put. So it's a very helpful tool. I hope that this was helpful to you.